And these potatoes all died down here. It's really hard to grow potatoes down here because those darn beetle grubs get them. But they've all died down. Tried to be pretty good about making sure there's no beetle grubs in there. So let's see if we got some potatoes here. But I got nothing big coming out. But at least they're not eaten and not dead. There's nothing like a potato right out of the ground. You won't know that until you grow them. They are so potatoey. It's quite amazing. Yeah, there's a red one in there. Certainly these are decent. You can eat them. This one is like 6 foot. Some of these I might just put back in. Get bigger. I dug out a few potatoes, pretty much with my bare hands. It was so light and fluffy in there. Some of these smaller ones, here's my hand for. You can see they're pretty small. And the really small ones, like this. You know, I might put these back in. Certainly these. You know, I just put them back in. And I just dug around in there a little bit with my hands, not even really using the trowel. So this could be like a little fish pond of potatoes for me, where I want some potatoes, I dig around in there, get out some big ones, put the smaller ones back, and you know, they'll start growing back again when, you know, it cools off to get some water. It's kind of a cycle. And these tubers, these potatoes, is what, you know, how they do that cycle. They store, you know, food in there. That's why it's a nice thing to eat. That's why it has nutrition. Anyway, little potato crop there. Maybe the wife makes some potato leek soup, because I got leek, I think, over here somewhere. There's a leek. Pretty sure. Here's my leek right here. There is my leek for some potato leek soup. Yes. Look at that. I think the wife makes pretty good soup with that. They look nice in the kitchen. The wife makes some killer potato leek soup. And I think this looks like it's gonna make a good batch.